trying to make me a vegetarian style pizza, so you guys can watch me do that. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload something new. And also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you've seen any of my other videos, go give those a thumbs up as well. Alright y'all, let's get into it. So while my pizza is in the oven, I thought I'd show you my skincare routine. I mentioned in my last video that I gotta go buy another face brush. But normally I have really pretty clear skin. I don't really have a lot of blemishes and stuff. But lately, I don't know if it's because the weather is getting cold here in Indiana or what, but I've been having like, I don't know, okay, normally my skin is like combination. So I have like really oily spots, and then I have like dry spots. But lately it's been like my T-zone has been extremely oily, and then the rest of my face is like blemishes. So like on my side I have a dark spot here and kind of a dark spot up here and there, but it was never there before. And then I have acne on my chin and again in my T-zone. So it's like, it's just weird. It wasn't like that at first. So like I said, I think it has something to do with the weather changing possibly, but I haven't been stressed, so I just don't know. I don't know if it's because my hormones is out of whack for something, but it's just like my skin is weird and I don't like it. So I've been trying this new routine. So I use this blackhead clearance scrub. I just started using this on my face. So you just have your face damp, you apply this and exfoliate for 20 to 30 seconds, and then you pat it dry. And then after that, I use these Noxzema anti-blemish pads. You leave this on. You just pat your face dry with these pads. And then I have this new Vaseline cocoa butter Vaseline. It's not greasy, even though here it says non-greasy, and it's really not greasy, and it don't feel like heavy on my face because that's why I don't wear makeup, because I don't like the way it feels like something on my face. But this Vaseline cocoa butter, it really, you can't feel it. It's like you can see the shine and the glow, but you don't really feel it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I exfoliate. So let's get into it. So like I said, you want to make sure your face is damp. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the water. I don't know. But I just use a face towel. And you guys can do this before you get in the shower or after you get out the shower, or you can do it while you're actually in that shower. So it's just whatever you prefer. I personally like to look in the mirror so I can really get where I see the blemishes at and stuff. But you can definitely do it in the shower if that's, easier for you. So I'm gonna use this about that much. apply this all over my whole face. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So on the brush I have, it just has off, low, and high speed. So I'll go ahead and put it on high speed. So that's how it sounds on low, and then this is how it sounds on high. And I wet the tip of this brush, so you don't have to, but I don't know why I do it. And it says just leave it on for 20 to 30 seconds of exfoliating. You don't want to do deep exfoliation, it's just really light. And this feels so good, by the way. So this is how it looks. I don't know if y'all can see. It's a little discoloration just from the beads. Take the brush off and clean it. So I'm going to gently remove the remainder of the scrub. I'm not pressing my face hard at all because it was just lightly exfoliated, so I don't want to agitate the skin. But I really feel like I have like a overactive Sudorifius gland. I don't know if you guys know what that is. But it's just an oil gland. No, it's the sebaceous gland, y'all. I just thought about it. Huh? Okay. Can you pull my piece out the oven? Quick, that was real fast. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna rinse this towel and I'm gonna wipe my face off one more time. Y'all can see one of those bumps that I've been talking about that just been popping up out the blue. Okay guys, so then I go on with the anti-blemish pads. And these, when you first start using them, it says to use them 1 to 3 times daily, but they recommend that you start with 1 time daily because severe dryness can occur because they really strip the oil from your skin. And so I mainly just focus this on my T-zone because that's what has been extremely oily. It feels so good. It's like cool breeze. So anyways, after I do that, last but not least, I go in with the cocoa butter Vaseline, and it's literally 9 degrees. Y'all will see the glow that it puts on my face, but it's like, to the touch, it's not oily at all. It just feels like it's really moisturizing, but not excessive moisture, you know. So that's how it looks, guys. And then I also have this massaging piece that goes on the brush. So with the moisture on my face, I can massage it. But you don't have to do this step, this is just optional. Just like a nice little face massage. And once you're done with that, you can go on about your business. But Will told me that my pizza has stopped, so I'm about to eat my lunch. I hope you were able to learn something. And let me know if you have issues with your skin just here recently. And like I said, normally I don't have any skin problems, but my skin has. And then my brother said it could have been when we went to South Carolina, when we went to Myrtle Beach. I was getting in and out the chlorine and in the beach, and I definitely was going under the water. So he was like, maybe the salt water and the chlorine is like having an impact on my skin now that it's getting colder. So I don't know, but I was down there for a week and I literally was in the water every single day. So, you know, that could definitely be something. I really just don't know what it is. Well, I wanted to show you guys how my pizza turned out, so I'm gonna show you and then I'll close out the video. So let's go to the kitchen. All right, guys, so this is how my pizza looks. Yep. So I'm about to eat. This will be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below and let me know about your skincare routine and any difficulties that you're having with your face. So again, I love you guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.